slide is our instructions on what to do to write to our celebrants. Okay, so there are instructions there. And then there are these are the cards that you will see. They're either light, off-white, and blue. Okay?
Bakit stop tayo?
Dito tayo pinapun natin.
Hindi na yan. Uli, asa na yung ano ko? Yun ba yun?
Oo, sa'yo yan.
Ano ka nga?
May nakaba.
Ada nga yun.
Laki naman eh.
Okay, so table 3 and 4, I think you can proceed to get your dinner now. Sorry, there was a little bit of a delay.
Kapag mo, hindi ko kayo